Okay, so this is Major Boss from Wake, so Major Squad, and today I'm going to do a different 51 4 today, October 17th or 18th or 19th of 1989. There is a dangerous, biggish, strong earthquake down in San Francisco, California, and there is people died that day. I don't know they died that day or not, but thousands of people got injured. There's a major fire down at the San Francisco skyline, and at 5:04 p.m. there's a big stronger earthquake down in San Francisco, and they have to evacuate the whole entire city. In a bridge at the Bay River has been collapsed. I don't know they died or not, but I got a quick video on the Smith Sun channel, and let me show it to you.
San Francisco, October 17th, 1989. 70 miles south of San Francisco. The Santa Cruz Range sits directly above California's notorious San Andreas Fault.
That happened when you guys was a kid.
Scientists in San Francisco are predicting that the earthquake at 5:04 p.m. The earthquake.
And 5:04 p.m. there's a big stronger earthquake down in San Francisco, California, and she was the little girl that day. If you are a little girl that day, leave it a comment down below, and when she grows up, I guess she was 8 or 9 years old or something. And earthquakes, the wind, going out to the bay, going out to San Francisco and city of Oakland too. Some areas and evacuated, and let's go. There's only on ABC 7, and I'll go back.
We hope, from San Francisco in just a moment.
Would you please watch it?
This is Cheryl Jennings in the Channel 7 newsroom. As you may have noticed, our power was knocked out just as some of the pre-game alert. Hospitals everywhere on red alert. I don't know if you heard what Anna was saying, but
that's a CD, and
I understand that we are looking at a live picture of the damage to the Bay Bridge.
There's a damage at the Bay Bridge back then, and I don't know the cause of trucks fall down in the water or not, but if you got drowned, if you know someone who got drowned, leave it a comment down below. And lots of people are talking about this, and lower deck of the San Francisco the Bay Bridge, and people on the bridge have to evacuate it too, and I don't know what the heck's going on down there. At the stadium, so some areas evacuated. I'm so glad that a guy did not get injured. And power lines are swinging, all kinds of stuff, and let's listen to this.
Grab your phone book. It's right there in the front, because that will tell you it's first a roll chest. Come on in here. You've got some information.
And there's a black smoke, like a black smoke coming from a building of some sort. There's a major fire there at the building. Wow. There's a major fire, and down in Oakland, the building got on fire.
Actually see it from the same
Wow.
black smoke. I would not be able to tell what it is at this point, and I don't think we know, but it's obviously...
It's a large building, I understand.
Yeah, it's a large building fires that I have never seen.
We're seeing flames coming from...
Flames are coming out, and we don't know. There's a...
phone service went down, power went down, Don.
I guess...
The OES, the National Guard has...
I guess the earthquake hit that building, and I guess they smelled smoke and they got out of there.
The 18 years that I've lived here.
There's a black smoke coming through,
We're still waiting to find out...
and a bridge collapsed. And if you guys are born on 1989, leave it a comment down below. And look at that, it's shaking. Look, see the lights are moving. There's power outages, and people are very shocked at this. Wow, man. But it's okay. It happened for a long time ago, and it happened for a long time ago. It happened before I was born. I guess you guys was never being born yet, but they say, "Oh my God, get out of here and run away for my wife." Wow. And
oh my God, we're having an earthquake. Wait a minute. Hold on. Can you feel that? Okay, this is interesting. There go the lights.
Alright, there's a earthquake in 1989, guys. Back in a... Watch this when a woman run away. Like, run away for my wives. Got the retro camera and all kinds of stuff. It was shocking that day. It was very super shocking. You guys was never being born yet, but sometimes it's just I don't know how many people died that day. 15 or 500 or 6 or 200 people died or something, and that's all from a video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel. Fun WXP. This is quick, peace.